Hi everyone, welcome to my second What I Eat in a Day video slash vlog. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of format where I'm speaking throughout the video, or if you prefer like my last video last week where I wasn't speaking and just had words instead. I make these videos for you, so I'd really like to know what you love so I can please you. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Bye! My juice this morning has some ginger, oranges, apples, a couple of passion fruit, and some mint, and one whole pineapple. I juiced this all up to make this beautiful liquid gold juice, which made about 1 litre. It was so delicious, you guys. You have to try this combination. And I'm off to the beach today, so I hopped into my bikinis and then popped on my favorite play suit. This is my favorite color, this blue, and it's so super comfy and casual. And now we're heading to our favorite organic cafe, and they do a few yummy raw dishes. But our favorite here is the orange juice. They just make the most incredible tasting orange juice, so we always get a whole lot. I usually have 3 to 4 to myself for lunch, which is about 1 litre. And my friend also gets some rice paper rolls as well.
These look absolutely delicious.
Back at home that night, I made my delicious raw pad thai. I spiralized up some zucchini noodles, some thicker ones and some thinner ones. Then I have my marinated vegetables, which marinated overnight in some coconut amino sauce with ginger and garlic. Then I have my cashew and tahini creamy sauce. And I simply mixed all of this together in this jar. And I did this about an hour or so before eating it so that the flavors could really marinate together. And I ended up using my hands because it's so much more fun and you get to infuse all of your love into the food as well. And then I plated all of this up. And if you guys want to know step by step how to make this dish, let me know in the comments below and I will dedicate a full video of how to make this. And there you have it, a big plate of creamy, noodly deliciousness. It seriously tastes like pad thai.